Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Setting the agenda for your marketing and sales meetings in order for meetings to be productive and focused, agendas are essential. Check out these tips for making your agenda work for you. The first tip is to set a clear agenda. An agenda should be prepared for every meeting. Make sure all agenda items are covered according to the times allotted. During your stand-ups, you'll take a different approach, focusing on 3 key elements. Over the past few days, what have you accomplished? Currently, what are you working on? And can you tell me if anything's keeping you from achieving what you want? The second tip is to keep SLAs on the agenda. Every meeting agenda should reference the SLAs at least once. It's crucial to keep the SLA top of mind so that both teams remain focused on their common goals, as well as providing a continuous basis for action items. An SLA also serves as a catalyst for collaboration between the teams. The third tip is to share the agenda before meetings. A few days before the meeting, send the agenda to all attendees. Bringing relevant items to the meeting in advance allows colleagues to have more productive discussions. It's ideal that both marketing and sales would gather and analyze relevant data prior to the meeting to engage in productive discussions. A key objective is to empower attendees to participate fully in meetings. Closing every meeting with a to-do list is a good idea. Ensure that the team leads have time at the end of each meeting to document and assign action items. Make sure everyone knows their responsibilities and timelines. Milestones should be set for action items requiring several steps. In the end, you want to develop an agenda that covers relevant topics or categories consistently. In addition to tailoring the agenda to the meeting's objectives, here are some common themes to consider. Spotlight on strategy. Utilize these meetings to reinforce what's working. In addition to increasing buy-in, showcasing examples of success allows team members to learn how they can improve their own performance. Your ability to instill confidence in the partnerships can be enhanced by highlighting cross-functional collaboration. Performance of SLAs. To assess how well both marketing and sales are contributing to achieving the goals, review SLAs at each alignment meeting. Keep in mind that not meeting SLAs should not be blamed on anyone. It's preferable to present SLAs as useful metrics to keep everyone focused on achieving the same goals. Review of campaigns, content, and competition. Marketing development should provide sales representatives with details about in-progress and planned campaigns and content and explain how to use them. Additionally, marketing should highlight the best performing content and offers to sales so they know what to prioritize in prospect outreach and nurturing. The sales team should provide feedback on what content and offers are working and which aren't. In addition to sharing insights on the competition, these meetings are a great opportunity for sales to showcase their expertise. The engagement and trends of buyers. In terms of buyer engagement, sales should share what they're seeing. Research from the market and internal research should also be shared with marketing, including trending topics and content that may facilitate these conversations. Make your sales and marketing meetings more effective with LinkedIn. Using LinkedIn's sales solution and LinkedIn's marketing solution data to ensure effective and insightful meetings is essential. Conduct pre-meeting research on LinkedIn. Arguments based on opinion can be incredibly time-consuming. Meetings shouldn't be about data, but about how to improve it. Both marketing and sales professionals can benefit from LinkedIn's performance data. In your SLAs and recurring agenda items, mention these metrics to your advantage. Having the agenda items align with their daily workflows allows both teams to be more prepared for meetings. Analyze campaign performance using Campaign Manager. Marketers use LinkedIn Campaign Manager to run and optimize ad campaigns. Marketers can update sales and marketing meetings with real-time results by using this virtual command center. Manage pipelines using Sales Navigator. Sales professionals can get insight into prospective engagement and pipelines with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. By drilling down into Sales Navigator data, marketing and sales are able to improve engagement with specific accounts. With Campaign Manager, you can track conversions. Marketing can easily track conversions from LinkedIn campaigns, including leads, signups, content downloads, and purchases. In order to engage their own contacts, sales team members must understand what's causing the desired action. Reinforce commitment with meetings. Having marketing and sales aligned is a good idea for any organization. To drive and maintain alignment, both strategy and tactics must be addressed. Setting the stage for successful collaboration starts with mastering the ins and outs of sales and marketing meetings. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's EDBISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.